Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. Today we'll be joined by our friend Bill Bodnar, who will tell us the highlights of last week's market activity. Of course, our own Andrew Berman and Vincent Valvo once again head into the ring for another edition of Cage Match. Who will reign as victor this week? But first, a story. Angel AI was first known as an internal tool created by tech company Celligence and used by its sister company, SunWest Mortgage Company, back in 2018. Back then, it was called Morgan. Flash forward to the present day, Angel AI is a tool available for all originators to use, regardless of their affiliations. And the platform is continuing to challenge the status quo of the originating world. Here's the story. Pavan Agarwal, CEO of SunWest Mortgage Company and tech affiliate Celligence, only has 11 underwriters thanks to Angel AI. That's down from 40 in 2020. The artificial intelligence platform has transformed the company's operations, significantly reducing the need for manual document processing. Last year, Angel AI processed 75% of borrower-submitted documents, leaving the remaining 25% to human underwriters. This year, Angel AI has become even more efficient, flagging only 6.5% of documents for manual review. Out of over 1,500 loans processed, just 107 required a second signature. Despite initial challenges, Agarwal's long-term vision for Angel AI extends beyond mortgage underwriting. He envisions the AI platform expanding into various financial services, offering a chat-based loan application process and answering consumer queries about financial matters. Agarwal also plans to integrate blockchain technology into Angel AI, providing borrowers with the pre-qualification tokens that represent their loan eligibility. Since its launch in 2018, Angel AI has processed over 180,000 loans, with its adoption accelerating significantly. From just 6 accounts in late 2022, the platform now boasts over 5,000 accounts. Innovation is already happening. The company recently created and patented AI Sign, which allowed them to do away with using DocuSign and replace it with an in-house product. For more about how Agarwal and Celligence are tackling the next 5 years of AI progress, head on over to nationalmortgageprofessional.com. For The Interest, I'm Sarah Wolak.
We all dream of owning a home, but for too long, if you didn't fit the mold, you were stuck. Stuck because the system worked for everyone except you. We've changed that. Angel AI uses advanced AI technology to give a 100% trusted solution and fast answers for worry-free financing, allowing you to achieve fair and equal access to lending. Angel AI. AI you can bank on.
Hey friends, thanks for tuning into our Master the Market segment. So last week was a wild week. On Wednesday, we had the CPI number come in, and the market was very fearful that inflation was going to be higher than expected because we had a run of hot inflation readings. Well, it came in meeting expectations, and the market got a little overly euphoric. And then by the time we got to Friday and the weekend, the gains that we were seeing in mortgage-backed securities are already erased. Why? Because Fed officials were poo-pooing the idea that this means we're cutting near term. In fact, the chance of a Fed rate cut is now kind of bordering between almost November, right after the election. But what has also hurt the bond market going into the weekend was an announcement by China, which didn't get a lot of talk, but something we just have to watch together. And that is they're having a property crisis. Housing prices dropped by the largest margin in a decade last month. And so what they did is they put out a measure to purchase all unsold homes with developers, and they're lowering mortgage standards, lowering rates in an effort to spark their economy. So they're in a world where they're lower for longer, while here we are in the U.S., we're higher for longer. And what I could tell you is lower for longer is inflationary. So that's something we're going to have to watch. Listen, watch key levels. 435 on the 10-year note is something that we're watching at MMG. Have yourself a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Okay, so Vince, will blockchain revolutionize mortgage and real estate?
Revolutionize it?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it can.
You don't think it can? You don't think it has the potential to?
Oh, no, maybe long term. It should.
Yeah, like
it should be able
10
to.
years. 10 years.
No, that's not. It's already been around for at least 10 years. Listen. You talk about revolutionizing something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to put this into perspective. If you saw a 10-year-old, right, running around basically still in diapers, would you think, boy, that's the kid that's going to revolutionize the world? You would not think that. And that's what we got with blockchain. We got a technology that's sitting here that's been around for several years here. Everybody was saying, this is it. This is what's going to revolutionize stuff. And it's not doing it. Adoption is slow.
Okay,
it's expensive.
So let me ask you a
people don't
question.
understand it.
So, Vince,
Let's put this. Hold on. I'm going to even put this in a better perspective for you. You know what? Listen. Last December, less than a year ago, all of a sudden the world heard about ChatGPT. That is a revolutionary technology. That is because what we have all done with that in just this last year has been absolutely amazing. And blockchain is still like the kid playing with blocks. It ain't revolutionizing anything.
Okay, and so amazing point. Thank you. AI, generative AI, has been around long before we heard about it in late 2022. It has been out there. This technology is just ChatGPT or OpenAI was the first one to kind of go out there and make it available to the common folk.
Right.
So here actually you've made a great point actually of it takes someone to be able to push this forward.
Right.
Now, let me ask you this.
Can blockchain be useful? Of course it can.
Okay.
The notion of it, of having this uninterrupted string for title, for financial transactions, credit, everything.
Reports,
is amazing.
Servicing
It's fantastic.
transactions.
Absolutely.
All of these things.
Should it be? But we're talking about possibility versus practicality. And the possibilities are fantastic. It should be a great product. But it's not. It's not getting adopted. It's not getting used. You keep saying it's going to. You know what? I use this.
Going to.
I do the same thing.
So you are agreeing.
Towns aren't bringing the practice. Towns aren't bringing it in.
But those people are dying.
Government. Yeah. Well.
The little actually court records that's above
Listen,
a butcher,
the longer you talk about a technology is something we should be using, but never do use it. The longer it is, the next iteration of people who come along are going to go, oh, blockchain, isn't that old technology? Because I want to tell you something. You know what? Listen, how about we bring back Betamaxes? Those would be great too. They were great technology in their time. They're not. Their time has gone by. We don't need them anymore.
Progress
Blockchain
a better technology.
Is something that dweebs talk about, but aren't actually being used as they should be.
In the way actually records are
kept. We're out of time for this conversation.
Yeah, we shouldn't be out of time yet. No, I got more time.
Is out of time.
No, I got to wait. No.
That's the point.
You were wrong. You were wrong in this. No. Wait, hold on for a second.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.